Good morning, students. In earlier video, we have started a new chapter called pair of linear equation in two variables. Okay, we only studied the introduction of this chapter. What we have studied, that a linear equation is nothing else but a linear polynomial written in another form. Okay, written in another form. General equation of any linear polynomial is y is equal to ax plus b. Okay, when these terms are transferred in one side and one side made 0, this is called a linear equation. Now transfer y to this side, ax minus y plus b is equal to 0. Now this is called linear equation. Okay, this is called linear polynomial, this is called linear equation. The only form difference, this form is called linear polynomial, this form is called linear equation. Now there are some problems which can be solved by pair of linear equations. That's why we are studying this chapter. Now take one example, one question from exercise 3.1, and we have to express the situation algebraically and graphically. Okay, so let's take first questions of exercise 3.1. The first question is, Aftab tells his daughter, 7 years ago, I was 7 times as old as you were then. Also, 3 years from now, I will be 3 times as old as you will be. Represent this situation algebraically and graphically. Okay, algebraically means pair of linear equations. Okay, in x, y and y terms. Graphically means we have to draw the graph. Okay? The graph of any linear equation is a line, same as linear polynomial, and we studied earlier it. We know how to draw a graph of a linear polynomial. Now solve these questions. We have to suppose that present age of Aftab is x. Let present age of Aftab is x years and present age of his daughter is y years. Okay, now what he further says, I was 7 times as old as you were then. After 7 years ago, suppose I am of 30 years. 7 years ago, what would be my age? That is 23. Okay, अगर मेरी प्रेजेंट एज 30 ईयर है तो 7 साल पहले कितनी रही होगी? 23 साल रही होगी. दैट इज ऑब्वियस. तो यहाँ पे प्रेजेंट एज ऑफ आफ्ताब दिया है x, तो 7 साल पहले कितना होगा? x माइनस 7 होगा. वेरी सिंपल. 7 years ago एज ऑफ आफ्ताब is equal to x minus 7 years. Very obvious. Age of his daughter is equal to y minus 7. Very obvious. Now what he further says, that 7 years ago I was 7 times as old. मतलब ये है कि 7 साल पहले जितनी एज उसकी डॉटर की थी उसका 7 टाइम आफ्ताब का था. तो एज की डॉटर का अगर 7 टाइम कर दें तो आफ्ताब की एज मिल जाएगा मतलब मुझे. तो x माइनस 7 इक्वल टू क्या हो जाएगा? 7 टाइम y माइनस 7. ओके, Now simplify this and put all terms in one side. X minus 7 is equal to 7y minus 49. Now transfer these terms to this side. X minus 7y minus 7 plus 49 is equal to 0. X minus y plus 42 is equal to 0. It is a linear equation. Okay. This is graphical representation. Now there is something more. Also 3 years from now I will be 3 times as old as you will be. ये बोल रहा है कि 3 साल के बाद आफ्टर 3 years I will be 3 times as old as you will be. तो आज मेरी एज अगर 30 है तो 3 साल बाद कितनी हो जाएगी? 33 हो जाएगी. 30 प्लस 3 हो जाएगा. तो प्रेजेंट एज आफ्ताब की अगर x है तो 3 साल के बाद कितना हो जाएगा? x प्लस 3 हो जाएगा. तो यहाँ लिखेंगे आफ्टर 3 years. ओके. एज ऑफ आफ्ताब is equal to x plus 3 years. Very simple. Age of his daughter will be y plus 3. And it is given that age of Aftab will be 3 times than age of his daughter. यानी कि अगर मैं यहाँ में डॉटर के एज में 3 से मल्टीप्लाई करूँ तो मुझे क्या मिल जाएगा? एज ऑफ आफ्ताब मिल जाएगा. यानी x plus 3 is equal to 3 times y plus 3. Now simplify these terms and put all terms in one side. Is equal to 3y plus 9. Transfer this term to this side. X minus 3y plus 3 minus 9 is equal to 0, and this can be written as x minus 3y minus 6 is equal to 0. Okay, these are mathematical, these are algebraic expressions of this situation. Okay, one situation is this algebraic expression of first situation and algebraic expression of second situation. These are what these are? These are linear equations, a pair of linear equations. So this problem can be solved if we want to know the age of Aftab and his daughter. Then we can find by solving these pair of linear equations. Okay. So this chapter is very important to solve so many problems. Now we found the algebraic representation of these situations. First is x minus 7y plus 42 is equal to 0, and second is x minus 3y minus 6 is equal to 0. Okay, these are algebraic expressions. Okay, now we have to also represent it as graphically. So for that we have to draw the graph of these two lines. These are equation of lines. When we draw graph of these linear equations, they will be lines. Okay, they are pair of lines, nothing else. And we know how to draw graph of a linear polynomial. First, prepare table of first linear equation. Value of x, value of y. Okay, put value of x as 0, then value of y will be 42 by 7, and that means 6. Okay, and if we put value of x in first linear equation, if we put value of x as 0, then value of y will be 6. You can solve it by one. Let's find another point. To draw the graph of these linear equations, we have to find two points on these linear equations. Okay, 2 point on this, 2 point on this. Put another value of x. Let x is equal to minus 7. X is equal to minus 7. then value of y will be x is equal to -7, then this will be 42 minus 35, x is y is equal to 5, then y will be 5. Okay, now prepare table of this linear equation. Put value of x as 0, then value of y will be, I think, 2, -2, value y will be -2. Put value of x as 3, then value of y will be -1. Okay, now we find out 2 points on this linear equation, 2 points on this linear equation. Why 2 points? Because from 2 points a unique line can pass. Okay, from 2 points a unique line can pass. Now show these points -7, 5, 0, -2, 3, -1. Show these points on xy plane. Okay, show these points on xy plane. We have find out 2 points on this line. First draw graph of this linear equation. Now show the point 0, 6, 0 x along x 0 unit, along y 6 unit. Suppose this is 6 unit. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is point 0, 6. Now show points 7, -7, 5. -7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Suppose this is -7. Now 5 unit along y axis, 5 unit along y axis. Suppose this is -7, 5. Now meet these points, and this will be the graph of first linear equation. This will be graph of first linear equation. This is a line. Okay, now show this point for second linear equation. We have to also draw the graph of second linear equation. Now show these points along x 0 unit, along y -2 unit. This will be, suppose, -1, -2. This will be 0, -2. Now show 3, -1 along x 3 unit, along y 1 unit, -1 unit. Suppose this is a point 3, -1. These meet these 2 points, and this will be the graph of second linear equation. They will meet after traveling some distance out of this page. Okay, these are not parallel, they will meet. This is algebraic expression, this is graphical expression, representation. This is algebraic representation, this is graphical representation. Okay, now there are 2 more questions. I hope that you will solve that 2 questions also. Okay, आज के लिए बेटा इतना ही, ठीक है. Okay.